This is how you can enable auto trading on your MT5. I'm going to use a bot here for demonstration purpose. So when you drag and paste your bot on your chart, you will see a similar window like this. Now to enable auto trade, you can just check the box over here. You usually see two boxes most times. The second box is to allow the modification of trades. So when you see two boxes like that, allowing modification of trades and allowing auto trade or algo trade, you can check the two boxes. Now, you can go over the input of your expert advisor and you click OK. After that, you can turn on your algo trading. So make sure your algo trading button over here is like this. This way, you can activate auto trading on your MT5. However, in some cases, you have installed the bot, but you can see that the icon over here is grayed out and it does not trade automatically, even if your algo trading is on, but it does not trade automatically. So how can you activate the bot in this case? Now this is what you can do. You can double click on the icon over here and you go over to the common settings over here and you check the two boxes that you see here, allow algo trading, or the second box you may see, which is allowing modification of trades. This is how you can allow auto trading on your MT5 account. Some Forex robots claims to be 90%, but when you test it, you see that they are trash. How can you backtest the robots for you to trust it to trade on your live account? Now click the next video that is showing on your screen. In that video, I have explained all that.